today. Infinity Cube versus Hajj map. There's a Hajj map right here, Jake. Thank you. Let's begin. What are the steps to Hajj, you ask? We have kids that have created the Infinity Cube or the Hajj map to help us understand all the different steps to Hajj. Which kid created the best? Let's begin.
Assalamu alaikum, Noor Kids. My name is Anaya, and this is my Hajj Infinity Cube. First step of Hajj is Ihram. The second step is Tawaf. The third step is doing Sa'i between Safa and Marwa. The fourth step is that pilgrims go to Mina and they sleep in tents. Pilgrims go to Mount Arafat and pray and ask for a lot of forgiveness. Then in the evening, pilgrims go to Muzdalifah and pick 49 rocks. Pilgrims throw rocks on the 3 pillars representing Shaitan. And then Eid day and then they perform Qurbani, which means they sacrifice an animal and bring their meat. And there it is. Assalamu alaikum, Noor Kids.
This Infinity Cube, we've never gotten less submissions for any challenge just because it was so hard. Just taking it on is an accomplishment, but then doing such a good job at it is an amazing accomplishment. Good job.
Assalamu alaikum. So this is just the process. The most difficult part was the 10 steps. But I am done here. So let me tell you. So now, when the Zilhaj starts, first thing is to sight the moon, give charity and donate Qurbani. We have to pray a lot and increase in dua. Then on Yawm Arafah, we should fast. Say tasbih, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, and Allahu Akbar. And do a lot of zikr. Seek forgiveness. So that is it. Assalamu alaikum, Noor Kids.
Zakaria, that was so good. And I like that you came up with your own personal way to decorate your Infinity Cube. Very informational. Geneva, another solid submission. As her computer said, she was killing it. Before we move on to watching the maps, the winner of the 3 cubes was Anaya from Pakistan. Good job, Anaya. Now let's watch the maps.
Assalamu alaikum, Noor Kids. My name is Yasmin. I'm 11 years old, and today I'll be doing the Hajj map. The first thing you have to do Hajj is go to the Kaaba. Tawaf means to go around the Kaaba 7 times and saying Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. Then you have to travel to Safa and Marwa. You have to walk 7 times between the hills. Then you have to travel all the way to tent in Mina. After you're done resting, you have to walk to the mountain of Arafah. In Arafah, you should pray and make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala noon to dusk. Finally, at Muzdalifah, you have to travel all the way to Jamar pillars. You have to throw pebbles at the Jamar stone pillars. When you're done, you'll have to go travel where you came from to the Great Mosque. I hope you enjoyed my Hajj journey. Allah Hafiz, Noor Kids.
Samreen, you are a very good storyteller. We might have to hire you for the Muslim Treehouse. Great submission.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muntaha. And my name is Rahmi. And this is our Hajj map. So first we do tawaf around the Kaaba and do sa'i between Safa and Marwa. The second step is go to Mina. The third step is go to Mount Arafat and listen to the Hajj khutbah, which is the most important part of Hajj. The fourth step is to go to Muzdalifah and collect up rocks. The fifth step is go to Jamarat and throw rocks at the Shaitan. Assalamu alaikum.
My favorite part about your submission was that you made it big. So it was very easy to follow, very easy to see. There was space in between. And I know it takes more time to do that too, so we appreciate the time.
Assalamu alaikum, Noor Kids. This is my journey to Hajj. First, you do tawaf around the Kaaba, then walk between and Marwa. You go to Mina and sleep. Third, pray plains of Afat. Number 4, Muzdalifa, pick up the pedals. Number 5 is stone pillars at Jamara.
I have to say, if Saudi's looking for Hajj guides, I think I know where they can find them. And now, my favorite Hajj map goes to Samreen. Not only because her artwork was great, but because she was so good at explaining. She was so proficient. It looked like she'd practiced her whole speech. And so Samreen, really good job. But there is only one ring of honor. And so we're gonna put Samreen and Anaya head to head. The ring of honor goes to Anaya for creating the most amazing infinity cube. Good job. Thank you all for your submissions. Even if we didn't show them in this video, thank you to everyone else who submitted as well. Thank you for teaching all of us and your friends and your peers about the steps of Hajj. If any of you guys want to participate in the Muslim Treehouse challenges, tell your parents to enroll you at noorkids.com/treehouse, where we have challenges like this every single week. See you all there, inshallah.